Let's also move on to Ford, because you wrote a big story out on the Yahoo Finance homepage over the weekend where you talked about how much is riding on the company's EV strategy, right? And its restructuring of the company as it sort of not splits into three units, but the way it's organized is in three units.
Yeah, it's a big year for them. Q1 will be the first year they actually report the three subunits: Ford Commercial, Ford Model E, which is their electric division, and Ford Blue, which is standard ICE gas-powered cars. And Wall Street sort of applauded that move when they announced it last March. And since then, there have been some issues with production and things like that, and actually EV batteries. They're not the only company to have problems with EV batteries. So the spotlight's on Ford this quarter, right? To actually report how they're actually going to break out. How much money does the EV unit lose? How much money does the ICE business make? Can they actually normalize that over the span of the next 2-3 years? A lot of focus there on Farley there for that, for CEO Jim Farley, I'm sorry. So it is a big deal for them, and they're the only automaker doing that right now. So maybe we'll see others do that, split the businesses, show how they're actually profit and loss sort of numbers there. But yeah, it's a big quarter for them, for Jim Farley and company.
And I was going to ask you whether there's any kind of optimism, like how do investors and analysts think he's going to be able to deliver? We were just showing the stock price chart. Doesn't look like there's a lot of optimism baked into that chart.
Yeah, I mean, they had a good week last week with some good numbers, some good news, but the stock is pretty much down half to what it was late 2021, mid 2021. It was like $25 a share. Now we're at 13, so still half what it was before. But yeah, I think there's optimism that in the next couple of years, you'll see that EV unit actually be profitable. I think Ford and GM both are saying that. It's not going to be right away that they're profitable. It's going to take some time for them to actually get ramped up and make cars at parity with the ICE-powered cars.
Interesting. All right, we'll be watching them, of course. And we're also going to do a deeper dive into the state of the auto sector with Cars and Bids founder Doug DeMuro. That's coming in the next hour. Pras will be back for that combo, and you don't want to miss it.